In this video, we're going to show you how to flip a house quickly and efficiently. Now this house right behind me, we closed on just under 2 weeks ago. We got the renovation crew in. They ripped out all the old carpet, all the debris, trimmed the bushes in the front of the house that's on a previous video that we put out, and they just started tearing through it. Now on the inside, you can see they've prepped everything. They've painted. We have the coat of Kills and the primer from the ceilings on down. Ceilings are painted. Next thing to come through is to get the finished paint going through, and then we're going to go ahead and lay the flooring, finish out the kitchen, the bathroom, light fixtures, and we'll literally be out of this house within a 2.5 week time. This is a project that would usually take most crews 1 to 2 months, but our crew is smashing it. Let's take a look. See, they took apart all the old wooden boards, framed this up. This will be one of the last things we talk about in some of the previous episodes on when we're flipping a house, how we start on the top and we work our way down. So address any issues with the roof, that way it's not leaking. Then we start with the ceiling, paint it moving down, baseboards, flooring, move on to the next area of the house. And then after we finish the floors on the way out is when the crew will come do the finishing touches on the exterior of the project. All right, you can see here we have basically a blank canvas tearing out the floors. We don't have to worry when painting. You could literally put the paint guns out and spray over everything, because of course we're going to lay new flooring on top of the subfloor. It's nice, it's white, it's pure, right? You can see all the primer going throughout. We've got the old wallpaper area, that nice heavy thick primer. Sherwin-Williams grade has a nice thick primer that even on cabinets, it's real thick and secure. And we can come over with the finish coat and you'd never know that the cabinets or the walls were painted over, right? So pretty simple, right? Again, open canvas. We're able to salvage the old cabinets because this is an entry-level house. I'm not as worried about having the shaker style newer age look. These cabinets will actually look nice by putting the little 2-hinge hardware on them, right, with maybe a granite slab. This gives it a nice finishing touch. Entry-level housing, it's beautiful. Now, there's a running joke that most of my crews have with me, and that's, hey, don't let him anywhere near a job site whenever the paint crews are taking place, because I've got a bad habit of just brushing into and running into wet paint. So I'm definitely a hazard on the job sites at times. And over the years, I've made a mental note whenever I step into a house, never to lay my hands or brush up against any doors, right? But in here, you can see the bathroom. Pretty simple. Again, we just get rid of the old stuff we're not keeping, get the nice paint in place. And then after we have the finished paint, we can start hanging the light fixtures, the mirrors, the finishing, right? Vent fan, exhaust fan, and move our way out from there. But the work you see here is the work of artisans, right? Artisans, it's very good work. Now the stairs are always a hit or miss, right? Whenever there's carpet on stairs, I usually hope that once we tear up the carpet, it's going to have a nice hardwood that we can go over. Well, you can see this is just simple 2x6s. It's not pretty or presentable, so it's just going to make more sense to put carpet back over these stairs, right? But moving up to the top, pretty simple. Again, it's all white, it's prepped. We just got to cut in the paint, boom, move our way downstairs. Start up high, work our way down. It's not much to look at, right? We just, again, we got a blank canvas with nice smooth walls. I've had a lot of different crews that have come through our projects. For example, one of the last ones that we did, the drywall was just very rough and looked like crap. Hence why you need to find a crew of artisans who are artists with their work, right? After going to the artisans, you never go back to traditional. I'm gonna even say this, most American contractors suck. Hate to say it, and I hate to lay it down like that, but it's the fact of the matter, right? It's hard to find a true artisan who is actually a native to America. Anyways, there you go. We got 2 bedrooms up top, 1 downstairs, 2 baths for an entry-level house for less than $200,000 in the heart of Columbia, South Carolina. You're not gonna find anything nicer for the price point. So this thing will fly off the market quick once it's listed, and we can keep on turning and burning, moving on to more real estate deals. If you are a local investor, homeowner, or might have a family member who wants to sell a fixer-upper, ugly, distressed house, we would love an opportunity to look at it. We are in acquisition mode and would love to make a fair cash offer on your deal. With that said, I'll see you guys on the other side.